Come on, come on.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Madge, and for today's video, mayroon ako sa inyo bagong i-share na very useful, space-efficient, and very convenient wall-mounted drain rack sponge holder, guys. So nakita ko lang to sa Shopee and Lazada, and price-worthy siya, guys. So before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you always be updated to my upcoming videos and off-the-clock episodes. Space efficient siya, as I've said, wall-mounted siya, guys. So hindi na siya basta nakalagay balaandara dyan sa inyong either kitchen sink or to your bathroom sink, which is your preferred kung saan nyo ilalagay ang inyong sponge holder, guys. And very convenient siya, guys, dahil hindi na kayo mamroblema dahil may mga sponge holder na walang drain or mga butas, diba? So hindi na-drain yung water. So dito, once pinut nyo yung inyong sponge, madi-drain siya, guys. So may mga napapanood ako mga short videos regarding sponge na once na naipon yung tubig na na-stuck siya sa water, yung bacteria still there. So at least dito, hindi na kayo problema. And bukod raan, very useful siya kasi hindi lang sponge yung pwede nyo ilagay. Meron siyang panghang ng mga pamunas nyo. So pag nilaban nyo, pwede nyo siyang dyan isampay. And bukod sa sponge, kung sa kitchen nyo siya ilalagay, pwede nyo lagyan ng dishwashing liquid or other soap or anything else. Same with kung sa bathroom sink nyo siya ikakabit, guys. So first, kailangan is idikit nyo muna yung hook. As much as possible, I recommend 2 to 3 hours bago nyo muna ikabit yung sponge holder, guys. So kailangan nakabit siya. Dapat hindi mababasa. Much better at least 24 hours for me, guys. Then afterwards, pag okay na, basta minimum of 2 to 3 hours, pwede nyo nang ikabit yung inyong sponge holder. As you can see, magkaiba kasi ito talaga, nakabili na ako way back before. Meron na kami sa kitchen and here sa bathroom. So yung bago ko is nagandahan kasi mama, yung nakita rin ng best friend niya. Sabi, ay maganda yan, so I want that too. So binilan siya for the gift siya, guys. Pero ayan, and yung upgraded na version nito, guys, yung nabili nga for mom's friend, is may kasamang hook. Additional yan para kung may gusto pa isabit, pwede nyo siyang isabit dito, guys. So yung sa amin, walang kasamang hook. So pinapakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, para at least kung saan nyo siya pwedeng ilagay. Pwedeng magkabilaan. Mali kasi yung pagkakabit ng cousin ko dito. So dahil nasa bathroom siya at wala kaming sponge dito, so pwedeng nyo ilagay like yung Colgate or yung toothpaste, soap, hand soap, guys, mga ganyan. So but for the kitchen, for sure may sponge doon. So pwedeng nyo dyan ilagay yung inyong sponge para at least hindi na stuck siya sa water if ever yung holder nyo is walang drainage, guys. So thank you. So until next time, goodbye!